A descent into darkness. The Titan submersible tragedy. The world watched in disbelief as news broke of the Titan submersible's disappearance. On a mission to explore the Titanic wreckage, the vessel vanished into the depths of the Atlantic Ocean. 5 souls were on board, their fates uncertain as a desperate search and rescue operation commenced. The Titan, operated by OceanGate Expeditions, was a technological marvel, designed to withstand the immense pressures of the deep sea. Its mission was to revisit the iconic Titanic, a symbol of human ambition and maritime tragedy. However, the expedition took a tragic turn, transforming from a journey of discovery into a desperate fight for survival. The incident sent shockwaves across the globe, prompting an outpouring of concern and a frantic race against time. The disappearance of the Titan served as a stark reminder of the unforgiving nature of the deep sea and the inherent risks associated with venturing into its uncharted depths. Engineering the abyss, the Titan's design and capabilities. The Titan's submersible, a product of OceanGate's ambition to push the boundaries of deep-sea exploration, was a unique vessel with both innovative features and controversial design choices. Constructed primarily from carbon fiber, the Titan was lighter than its titanium counterparts, potentially making it more susceptible to pressure-related failures at extreme depths. The submersible's design allowed for a crew of 5 to descend to depths of up to 4,000 meters, providing a glimpse into a world hidden from most. Equipped with high-definition cameras and advanced lighting systems, the Titan aimed to capture unprecedented footage of the Titanic wreckage and the surrounding marine life. However, concerns about the Titan's safety had been raised prior to the ill-fated expedition. Some experts questioned the use of carbon fiber in such a high-pressure environment, while others pointed to potential weaknesses in the submersible's hatch design. These concerns would later become central to the investigations following the disaster. Voyage to the depths, a timeline of the final mission began with a sense of excitement and anticipation. On board was Stockton Rush, OceanGate's CEO and the submersible's pilot, Paul OceanGate, a British billionaire and explorer, Hamish Harding, a British businessman and adventurer, Shahzada Dawood, a Pakistani-British businessman, and his son, Suleiman Dawood. Morning of June 18, 2023. Located at a depth of approximately 3,800 meters. Initially, communication with the surface vessel was maintained, providing updates on the Titan. 45 minutes into the dive, communication with the Titan was abruptly lost. The submersible failed to resurface at the expected time, triggering a frantic search and rescue operation. A race against time, the frantic search for the missing submersible. As news of the Titan's disappearance spread, a multinational search and rescue effort swung into action. The United States Coast Guard, Canadian Coast Guard, and numerous private vessels and aircraft joined the desperate race against time. The search zone, a vast and unforgiving expanse of the North Atlantic, posed significant challenges. The extreme depths, strong currents, and presence of debris from the Titanic itself complicated the search efforts. As days turned into hours, hope began to dwindle. The submersible's limited oxygen supply added to the urgency of the situation, with experts estimating that the crew had approximately 96 hours of breathable air. The world watched and waited anxiously for any sign of the missing submersible. Section 5. Wreckage and Revelation, the grim discovery and its implications. After days of relentless searching, a glimmer of hope turned to despair as debris from the Titan was discovered on the ocean floor approximately 500 meters from the bow of the Titanic wreckage. The debris field, consistent with a catastrophic implosion, confirmed the worst fears. The discovery of the wreckage brought an end to the search and rescue operation, but marked the beginning of a new phase. The investigation into the cause of the tragedy. Experts believe that the submersible likely imploded under the immense pressure of the deep sea, highlighting the unforgiving nature of such environments. The incident sent shockwaves through the deep-sea exploration community and beyond, raising questions about the safety of such ventures and the adequacy of existing regulations. The investigation into the Titan's implosion would focus on the submersible's design, construction and maintenance, as well as the decision-making processes that led to the tragedy. Section 6. Shockwaves and scrutiny reactions to the Titan disaster. The Titan disaster sent shockwaves across the globe, prompting an outpouring of grief and condolences for the 5 lives lost. The incident also sparked intense scrutiny of ocean-gate expeditions and the deep-sea tourism industry as a whole. Critics questioned the company's safety practices, pointing to previous concerns raised about the Titan's design and the lack of independent oversight in the industry. Some argued that the pursuit of profit and the allure of extreme tourism had outweighed safety considerations. Others defended the pursuit of deep-sea exploration, emphasizing its scientific and historical value. They acknowledged the inherent risks involved, but maintained that such tragedies should not deter humanity from pushing the boundaries of knowledge and understanding. Section 7. Shadows of doubt, safety concerns, and controversial practices. In the aftermath of the Titan disaster, a spotlight was cast on OceanGate's safety practices and the company's approach to risk management. Reports emerged of previous concerns raised by industry experts and former employees about the submersible's design and the company's testing procedures. Some critics pointed to OceanGate's decision to forego traditional industry certification for the Titan, arguing that this lack of independent oversight may have contributed to the tragedy. Others questioned the company's reliance on a single pilot without a dedicated co-pilot, as well as its use of a commercially available video game controller to steer the submersible. These revelations fueled concerns about a potential culture of complacency within OceanGate, where the pursuit of innovation and cost-effectiveness may have overshadowed essential safety protocols. The investigation into the disaster would seek to determine the extent to which these factors played a role in the Titan's implosion. Section 8. The price of innovation, balancing risk and reward in exploration. The Titan disaster ignited a broader debate about the balance between innovation, risk, and responsibility in the realm of exploration. While the pursuit of knowledge and the allure of venturing into the unknown have always carried inherent risks, the tragedy raised questions about the acceptable limits of such endeavors. Some argued that the potential rewards of deep-sea exploration, such as scientific discoveries and a deeper understanding of our planet, justify the inherent risks. They emphasized the importance of learning from such tragedies to improve safety protocols and mitigate future risks. Others questioned the ethical implications of extreme tourism and the pursuit of personal thrills at the potential expense of human life. They called for stricter regulations, increased oversight, and a more cautious approach to ventures that push the boundaries of human ingenuity and endurance. Section 9. Charting a safer course. Lessons learned and the future of deep-sea exploration. The tragic loss of the Titan submersible and its crew served as a stark reminder of the unforgiving nature of the deep sea and the importance of prioritizing safety in all aspects of exploration. The disaster prompted calls for greater transparency, stricter regulations, and a renewed focus on risk mitigation within the deep-sea exploration industry. As investigations into the incident continue, the lessons learned from the Titan tragedy are likely to shape the future of deep-sea exploration for years to come. Industry leaders, policymakers, and experts are grappling with questions about the adequacy of existing safety standards, the need for independent oversight, and the ethical considerations surrounding extreme tourism. While the Titan disaster may temporarily dampen the enthusiasm for deep-sea exploration, it has also underscored the importance of continued research, technological advancements, and international collaboration in unlocking the mysteries of our planet's final frontier. The challenge now lies in striking a balance between the pursuit of knowledge and the paramount importance of safeguarding human life.